friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to write a program in Linux ISC, that is the integrated synthesis environment, and how to run a particular code, guys. Okay, suppose you want to run OR gate, AND gate means you want to design an AND gate OR gate, and basically you want to simulate this. Then how to do that, guys? So in this video I will provide you step by step process about that, guys. Okay, so before moving to the video, guys, if you are new here to my channel, support my channel for getting such informative video. Okay, so let me show you step by step process, guys. Okay, so first of all, guys, you have to install Linux ISC. Okay, if you don't know how to install, I have already uploaded video regarding that. Okay, you can also download that too. Okay, I have also provided link for the zip file to download that. Okay, so if you are facing any issue, then feel free to comment here, guys. Okay, so now I'm going to show you step by step process, guys. Okay, so first of all, friend, you have to open that software, that is the Linux ISC. Okay, and basically you have to click OK, guys. Okay, so it will take some time depending on your system and all things. Okay, so I have opened that date, guys. Okay, now this is the complete interface of your Linux ISC software, guys. Okay, where you will get various things. Okay, this is the title bar where you will basically create file, okay, exit, view, project, and various things are available. Okay, but I will just talk point by point how to do that. Okay, so first of all, guys, you have to go to this button, that is the file. Okay, so when you will click on the file, then various basically pin item will be appear. Okay, but you have to simply click on the new project, guys. Okay, so you have to click on the new project, then you have to give the project name, guys. Okay, project name can be anything. Okay, so suppose I am going to basically create here and gate. Okay, so I will name this project as AND gate. Okay, so you can give any name, AND gate 11 or 11 AND gate, anything. Okay, so I have given a project name, guys. Next you have to click on the next button. Okay, so I have created, go to the next button. Okay, then, guys, this type of window will appear where you will get the window item such as the new project wizard. Okay, and device properties. Then here you have to select all that things. Okay, but here one changes you have to make, guys, that is the family. So in family button you have to click on the Spartan 3. Okay, there were various options available. Okay, but you have to click just Spartan 3. And next very important thing, guys, make sure that it will selected as the VHDL. Okay, so I have done all that things, and now just click on the next button, guys. Okay, now this is the next window that will appear, that is the new project wizard. Okay, where you have to basically create a new source. Okay, source file for the simulation, guys. Okay, so you have to just click on the new source, guys. Okay, and then again a various window will appear, that is a new source wizard. Means what source basically you want to add this, guys. Okay, so I want to basically add VHDL module. Okay, so simply you have to click on the VHDL module. Okay, and after that you have to give file name, guys. Okay, so suppose I am going to create here AND gate, so I am click on the AND gate. Okay, and remember, guys, you have to try to give the different name that you have given earlier when you are basically giving the project name. Okay, so I have given the file name as AND gate 134, anything you can give. Okay, but make sure that, guys, you have given the different name. Okay, because if you will give the same name, then you may face some issue. Okay, so I have given the next name, and then just you have to click on the next button, guys. Okay, so I have click on the next button, then again a new window will appear, that is the new source wizard. Okay, you have to define the module. Now, guys, you may have a doubt that what is actually module. Module means simply you have to give the basic idea, or the what are the input that you want, what are the output that you want. Okay, so I just want to create two input AND gate. Okay, then I have to get basically take two inputs such as the A, B, and one output, that is the C. Okay, so you have to give the port name as an input. Okay, so input A, input B. Okay, and it will be in means input in. Okay, next, guys, I want to take the output C as output, then you have to here basically click on the C out. Okay, if you want to create the in out all, but this is not regarding this gate. Okay, then you have to click in out both button. Okay, but I will click just out. Okay, and make sure that here it will be selected as a behavioral. Okay, now you have to click on the next button, guys, and now your project has been successfully created. Okay, and this will be the summary, all things you will basically visualize, and I have to just click on the next button, guys. Okay, now just click on the finish. Okay, now this type of window will appear, guys. Okay, so now what is the task that you have to do? Simply you have to click here, that is the AND gate, and you have to double click here. Then basically a window will appear where several line of code will be written. Okay, here you can clearly visualize, guys, that these are the code that will be automatically written, and this is the part that I have written, port name. Okay, A, B, C. In means automatically it will take the input as A, B in, and C out means it will take the output as C, okay, in C. Now guys, simply you have to basically whatever the code that you want to run, you have to write after the begin, okay. So suppose I want to create the C AND gate, then I will just click on the C as out and equal to less than equal to A and B. So this is the just simple code that I want to do, okay, because I am just showing for a basic purpose, that's why I have taken the simple code, okay. But in the upcoming video, if your response will be good, then I will also create a video related to the flip-flop and various things, okay, if you are interested, okay. Now you have to basically save this, but save this code, okay. So you can click here or directly you can press the Control S, okay. Now our code has been saved, guys, okay. Now what is the task? First of all, you have to synthesize the XST file, okay, and where you will basically know that yeah, all code are fine or not, okay. Or you can also click on the check syntax where you can visualize that yeah, all code are fine or not. If there will be any problem, then they will show that syntax error, okay. But I am just synthesize the XT file, okay, and they are showing synthesize fail, okay. So I think that there are some error in my syntax, okay. So suppose I will just check that what is wrong inside here, okay. So I think that I have forgotten to write the C, okay, here, that's why they are writing, okay. So I have written the C, and again I want to check syntax, okay. So yeah, I want to make changes. Now again line number 39, they are showing error, okay, C, A and B. What are the error? I don't know. Again I want to write this B, Z, I, N, begin, C, A and B. Now again click on the check syntax, Control S and synthesize. Then now guys, you can clearly realize that process synthesization completed successfully, okay. Now you have to create a new source, okay. So go to the new source button, okay, by clicking on the right click on the AND gate, and simply you have to for the diagram, okay, simply you have to click on the test bench waveform, okay, if you want to see the best test bench waveform. Suppose I have given the name as, again guys, you have to give the different name and test bench, okay, 1 you can give any name, okay, but I have given the name and test bench 1 next just you have to click on the next button, again finish button, okay. Now you have to click here, guys, that is a combinational or internal clock, okay. Now I have again click on the finish button, okay. Then this type of waveform you can clearly visualize, okay. You can also click here, that is the behavioral simulation, okay. So आपको पहले behavioral simulation पे click करना है for taking the basically waveform as a behavior, okay. So first like this, that is in the initial state all are 0 0 0, but you want to see some changes, then you have to click on the such as the first of all 0 0 0, yeah, fine. Then you have to take the next input as 1, then 0 1, okay. Sorry guys, 0 1. Wait for a minute, okay. So I have just click on the 0 1, yeah, 0 1, and then you want to suppose get the input as 1 0, then click here, okay. Suppose this is 1 and this will be 0 1 0, it has been selected. Now all things are fine, because I am showing you for the showing purpose, so just I have taken the 3 input, okay, and just press Control S, guys, okay. Then here are the behavioral simulation you have to select, okay. After that you have to go to this section, okay, that is the process section, okay. So simply you have to go to the process section. So friends, after clicking on this Xilinx ISC simulator, simply you have to click on this, that is the simulate behavioral module, okay. So when you will double click on the simulate behavioral module, guys, then this type of window will appear where you can clearly visualize all that things according to input, okay. So I have taken the AND gate, okay. So that's why for the 0 0 it is showing 0, okay, and this is, suppose I have click on the 1, okay. So this is actually 1, then 1 and 0 1 0 is what 0, that's why it is showing 0, guys, okay. So this is the complete step by step process how to simulate that. I hope that your all doubt regarding this is clear, and you can basically make the circuit and design the circuit, okay. If you are facing any issue, feel free to ask here, guys, we are here to support you. And remember guys to subscribe my channel for getting such informative video, okay. Hope informative to you. Till then, bye bye, meet you in next video. Jai Hind.